Welcome. We're Craig and Mary Peterson, the owners of Northwest Outdoor Lighting, and we're delighted you're here.
At Northwest Outdoor Lighting, we understand that home is a place to let your guard down, which is why we wanted to invite you to take this opportunity to get to know us.
We're high school sweethearts who've been doing life together for 45 plus years.
We have always valued family and the space that we create for them, from the rooms we've built to the vibe and tone we set.
We take that same approach with all our clients. Since this is a family business and our grown children work alongside us, both in the office and on the field, they also have the same thoughtful approach.
When hiring a lighting designer and craftsman, it's important to look for attention to detail, care for nature, and expertise in their craft. During our design consultation, you'll see how much we prioritize these values.
At Northwest Outdoor Lighting, nothing is more important to us than home. We hope you'll let us make yours the sanctuary it was always meant to be.